Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. We're going to make a card today. I am creating a card for my mom. It's her birthday and my sister's birthday is back to back with my mom. So I got two cards here. I already had this one done, so I thought it was perfect for my sister. It says pamper yourself, and on the inside I'll just stamp out happy birthday and turn it into a birthday card. So we're going to create this one for my mom. I'm using our new box of the month for April. We have 3 stamp sets and ephemera and 2 paper pads. The paper pads are so beautiful, so I used the beautiful images in this paper pad. I'm using Cat Scrappiness, using the Distress Edge Mini Slimline Die by Cat Scrappiness. Now I still have this one in stock, but if you come back on April 17th, I will have the new release. She is releasing more of these mini slimline dies on April 17th. So I'll have those in the shop, but right now I do have a couple of these left. And I also used the Whimsy Slimline Card Builder die. I used the circle from this die. Here's the ephemera from the collection. I'm not sure if I'll be using any of the ephemera, but I have that off to the side just in case. And here are the stamp sets. So this is the one, the main one that I'm using here. It's called Not Today. It's really, really cute. And here's the other stamp set that I used for the other card. And this one is Time to Relax. And then I am using the chandelier and the plant from this one, and it's called Me Time. I will have the stamps sold individually at a later time, but right now they are available in the box. You can join the Box of the Month Club, or you could make a one-time purchase of the box. So there are perks if you join the club. I will be offering special discounts and sales for club members only. You also get an exclusive 4x6 stamp set on your 6-month anniversary with the club. And you also get an additional 5% off when you purchase the box as a club member. So to become the club member, all you have to do is select monthly as your frequency when you are checking out. So what I did was I cut a bunch of these panels out in the pretty paper design here, and the ones that I really love, so I didn't want to cover this up. It was so pretty. So what I'm going to do is add them to the back of the card, to the inside of the card. It's kind of like a little book. And then this will be my front. I have foam tape on the back. I did want that popped up. And then I cut out the circles with that die. So, and then we're going to make a little scene. So we can start by gluing on our panels on the back. So I'm just going to use some liquid adhesive, and we will just go ahead and center that. Okay, I'll press that into place, and then we can do the inside. So I think that looks really fun. Let's make sure I'm putting the glue on the right side. Okay, so we're going to add this to the front, and that is looking so cool. Okay, so let's add our front panel on. Okay, so we have that all laid out. So I love how sturdy the card feels now. And we're just going to play around with our layout here. So I want this chandelier up at the top there. Now I'm debating whether to stamp my image on the outside or the inside. I know I want to use the Happy Birthday from our Sprinkled with Love stamp sets right here, and this one is still available in the shop. I have a handful of these left. And I know I want the sentiment from this stamp set it's okay to take a break. So I want to use that with the happy birthday. So I was thinking about either putting that on the front somewhere or on the inside. So let's get our chandelier in the center. And I think I want to pop that up. So I'm going to add some foam tape. So I'm just going to glue her onto the chair and then we'll add our foam tape. And she's going to be in the corner. I want this plant to be over here, off to the side, I think. So I'm going to add some foam tape right here. I'm going to tuck the plant in behind the girl. Now I want her to be with this chocolate bar. My mom loves chocolate. So I want to have this tucked in somewhere. So she's sitting with her chocolate bar. It's time to relax. Get your chocolate bar out. I could even put that over here. I could even try and pop it up. Let's see how that looks. I could have it like that or on this side. I think I like it on that side. So she's got her chocolate bar, got the plant and the chandelier. I think I do want the sentiment up here somewhere. So I'm going to go stamp this out and then cut it out. So the die, this, I got ink all over my hands. I should have used my ink navigator kit. This would be perfect to create the banner for the sentiment. So this is the smallest die in the Cat Scrappiness Slimline die. Okay, here's my sentiment, and I'm going to pop that up so it has a little dimension, and I'm going to add that to the corner here. So I really want to see exactly where I want to put this. Okay, now I want to add some sequins. So let me get the matching sequins that came with the box. I'm just going to add some glue dots to where I want to have the sequins. And then we'll just go ahead and add those as we go along here. So it turned out super cute. I hope she loves the card. It's okay to take a break. She's got her chocolate bar, and on the inside, happy birthday, relax. I stamped out the chair, added the little pillow that says relax, and then we've got the gorgeous paper on the inside and on the outside of the card. I'll have to make a custom envelope for this, and I can do that with my Memory Keepers punch board, my envelope punch board, and we'll be good to go. So this one says happy birthday as well. And if you enjoyed this video, leave me a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!